Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Letitia, and on this channel we do everything home as well as DIYs and lifestyle. So today I really wanted to take you guys outside because today's video is going to be a intimate brunch setting. I really wanted to do this on my patio because if you're not new here, you guys know I'm all about romanticizing my life. I love the springtime for outdoor brunches. It's my thing. If you don't believe me, check out my channel. I have a few of them up. I love to do outdoor brunches. But unfortunately, here in Germany, it feels like it's still winter. So I can't go outside today, but I am going to show you guys how I set up a nice intimate setting for the hubster and I want to take this time out to say thank you to a company called Tivisiy. I think I'm saying that right. I hope I'm saying that right, but if not, I want to give a big thank you out to Tivisiy for partnering with me in today's video. I'm going to show you a couple items from them that is just so beautiful. I just found them. They just stood out to me because they spoke to me and my lifestyle. But if you guys are trying to find items for the Easter or for Mother's Day and whatnot, definitely check them out. I thought that they wouldn't reach to me in time. That's why I didn't get anything for the Easter. But if I had known that their customer service was so good, I would have gotten the Easter items. But this one is just going to get more use out of it, okay? I'm going to use this one more often because this one just represents me, okay? But if you guys still looking for items for the Easter, go ahead and check this out. Also for Mother's Day, you guys know Mother's Day is coming up. So we gotta represent, we gotta show out for our mamas, all right? So today I'm going to show you guys a couple items from them. It came in my a bag from the delivery company, and then it came wrapped like this. So we're going to go ahead and unbox them. If you guys have never heard about Tivisiy is a wood carving company that is specialized in 3D wood carving pieces. They also make metal art pieces for the outdoor. So if you guys are looking for items to put in your garden and whatnot to decorate your garden outdoor, definitely check the metal arts out. They are so pretty. I saw a few on there that just are so beautiful. I just think you guys, if you're a gardening person, you would definitely love that. They also sell creative accessories as well as customized gifts and jewelries. And guys, I got one of the 3D wood carving pieces as well as a jewelry piece, so I cannot wait to share that with you guys. So let's get into this unboxing, shall we? So this is how it comes packaged. And as you guys can see, it is cute. It just says Hi Park. Really, really, really cute. And it says, how are you? That's just cute, isn't it? So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. And this is how it looks when you first open it. It has a card in it, a Who Are We card. Now, if you guys are going to purchase any items from them, Tivisiy did give me a discount code to share with you guys. It's going to be down in the description box as well as on the screen. It's going to be House 15. So definitely use that code to save those coins, okay? Save those coins, all right? So this is how the item looks. And as you guys can see, this is so pretty. Like, the website did not do this any justice. Look at that. That is so pretty. That's really, really pretty. Look at the detailing. Look at the detailing. Oh my goodness. That's really, really pretty. Like I said, I got this because I think that this definitely, it stood out to me because it's more me. It's more, you know, if you know me, then you know that this is my thing, okay? But if you guys want something else, and I think that the items that they have, because these also light up like lamps, they would be perfect for a kid's bedroom because they have them in different animals and whatnot. It would be perfect for a child's bedroom, a glow-in-the-dark night light or whatnot, or a little lamp for like their little side table. Perfect. I think setting up a nursery or a child's room, definitely check out their 3D wood carvings that light up. They also have the option to turn it on by voice activation, but I didn't think I needed that, so I just got the one with the outlet. So we're going to set this up, and I'm going to show you guys how I decorate with this, but let me show you the jewelry piece that I got. So it came in a packet like this. Then it came in a little duster with the company's name on it, Tivisiy. Like I said, I hope I'm saying that right. And these dusters come in handy for when you need to, you know, take care of your items and just put them away. Now they did have some wood carving jewelry that I really wanted to purchase. Like I really wanted the earrings, but for some reason the earrings that I wanted was sold out. So I got this instead, and this means good luck. So if you guys are interested in wearing items that only represent what you believe in, make sure that you read the description on them. This one says good luck. I forgot the word. I think it was in Latin, but it definitely is really, really cute. It's like a coin that they turned into a jewelry piece. And I think that this is going to be a little too short for my neck, but if you're into that like choker kind of look, then definitely go for that. But I would like it to hang a little lower, so I think I'm going to get an extension for this. Let me just see how long it really is. I think this was in 18 inches. Yep, I definitely need an extension piece on this, but I would like it to fall like right there. But it's really cute. It is really, 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 really cute, guys. So let's go ahead and set up this 3D wood carving in our table representation for our intimate little brunch with hubby. So let's get into that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please remember to give your girl a big thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it, and it also helps my channel to get into the algorithm. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not as yet. Comment, because I like to chat with you guys down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace.